Hey, bud. I can see what I'm recording on here too. Where's the sun? Oh. Huh. There we go, boys. We got full battery now. Buddy got his side-by-side back. He got the windows tinted. So I'll show you guys that. Alright, when's your sticker going on? You want to put it on right now? I need a, ow, bug. I need to get a sick thumbnail. I guess I should go from the other side because the license plate's there. From this side. Something like that. I wonder if... So where'd you get your windows tinted, bud? Eh? Where'd you get your windows tinted? The tint shop?
The tint shop.
Yeah.
The tint shop in Sudbury.
And how long do you have to wait for your things? Yeah, I can hold that.
They said I can't roll down the windows for a week
A day? How much was it? Was it good, fairly priced?
$2.
How much was it?
Almost $400.
For that?
Yeah. For that?
Well, that's a lot, no?
Oh.
I guess it's not bad. Okay, I'll get your sticker then, too. Yeah. The ramp's broken at the bottom. Oh, that wasn't bad. Does that ever look good, huh? He needs a fat light bar on the top, facing forwards. Now he just needs his sticker right here, right there. One or two. Is it? Is it darker? Got AC in this thing, boys. Oh, is that ever? Look at that. The back's way darker. That's pretty cool. Exhaust mod. I didn't see myself. They just got clean.
I just want to make sure that there's no dust.
Those stickers stick nice though.
Tell me when it's straight.
Well, yeah, that's good. Like to the left, yeah, that's good. Right there's good.
There?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah, that's good. That's straight.
Doesn't look straight to me.
That's straight.
Yeah?
Yeah. Straight enough. Mine stuck so good on my quad. Oh, that looks pretty clean actually. That looks nice.
That looks so good.
In the red, eh?
That looks nice.
That looks really good.
That looks good.
I like it in red.
And it's way darker on the inside too. Oh yeah, like you can tell. Yeah, like you can tell from the inside, it's way darker. Like, oh yeah. Are you happy with your purchase?
I am.
He's happy with his purchase. Are you happy with his purchase?
I'm happy with this purchase.
Yeah, it's sick. Thanks for the garbage. Okay, go.